Imagine you are falling, not through air, through water, and you do not stop. 100 meters below the surface, all color dies. Red goes first, then orange, then green. By 200 meters, the world has become a single note, absolute, featureless, suffocating black. At 1,000 meters, the pressure reaches 1,000 atmospheres, 1,000 times the force pressing on your skin right now. At this depth, an unprotected human skull would not crack. It would collapse inward in under a second, bones folding like wet paper, lungs compressed to the size of a fist. We call this place the Midnight Zone. It is not a place where large things live. And yet something is down here. Something the size of a city bus, with hooks where its fingers should be, a brain shaped like a donut, and eyes that evolved to detect the approach of sperm whales from 120 meters away in a universe with no sun. It is not a monster, it is not a myth, it is an engineering solution to a problem that should have been impossible to solve. Nothing about the colossal squid is normal, and here is why. Let us talk about the blueprint. The colossal squid's body plan reads like a first draft that nobody revised because it worked. The mantle, the main fuselage, reaches 2.5 meters long in mature females, with no skeleton anywhere. Instead, a pressurized hydrostatic system of muscle and connective tissue lets the animal shift its entire body shape in milliseconds. Propulsion comes from a biological jet engine. The mantle contracts, forcing water through a muscular siphon it can aim in any direction, accelerating a 500 kilogram animal to 25 kilometers per hour. Faster than an Olympic swimmer. In water. In the dark, its tentacles do not grip, they anchor. Rotating serrated hooks made of chitin, the same material as insect exoskeletons, embed into prey and set deeper the harder the prey pulls. Each hook rotates on a ball and socket joint. The animal evolved ball and socket joints in its weapons centuries before we put them in our machinery. Then there is the brain, and this is where the blueprint becomes almost satirically strange. It is not tucked safely in a skull. It is a ring looped around the esophagus, meaning the feeding tube passes directly through the center of the nervous system. Attempt prey too large, and the act of eating risks brain damage. Evolution built a hunter that can be neurologically harmed by its own appetite. And yet the design persists. Because 2/3 of the squid's 300 million neurons are not in that ring at all, they are distributed through its 8 arms and 2 tentacles. Each limb evaluates, decides, and acts independently. Not a brain giving orders, a distributed parliament of nerves, where every limb is a legislator, and the eyes, 30 centimeters across, the largest of any living animal, do not merely receive light. A photophore behind each lens generates light, allowing the squid to calibrate its own vision in real time.